Hello, pigeons! Today we will walk through the purchase and installation of a Paloma LightNode on macOS. Let's get started. Go to palomachain.com and click Purchase Your LightNode to access our purchase page. On the purchase page, you'll see the current node price tier. For example, it's 60 USD per node now, with about 600 nodes left at this price. More tier pricing details are at palomachain.com. To get started, choose how many nodes you want to purchase and your customer support preferences. Then, review and agree to the terms and conditions to complete the purchase. Just remember, all node purchases are final. On the next screen, you can choose your payment method, either credit card or a bank account using Transact, or crypto on any available chain. If you select a chain, you will be asked to choose a purchase token. Check your payment details and click Buy Now. In this case, if you choose crypto, you will need to confirm the transaction with your EVM wallet. After the transaction is successfully processed, you will be redirected to the registration page. There, you will need to sign up for customer support purposes using a magic link. Now we can start the process of downloading and installing your LightNode. Start by following the macOS instructions. For that, we need to install the Docker app, which lets you run the LightNode on your computer. Identify your Mac hardware and download the corresponding file. When the download is finished, double-click the Docker DMG file to open the installer. Then, drag the Docker icon to the Applications folder. Now open the Docker app in the Applications folder to start Docker. You may need to accept the service agreements to continue. Once Docker is installed, we can proceed to the setup installation. First, download the setup file and then open the terminal application. Copy the first command, place it in the terminal, and hit Enter. This will begin downloading your Paloma LightNode. Follow carefully the terminal steps to get your LightNode set up. Press Enter to generate your Paloma address and mnemonic. Keep it safe and private. The mnemonic will allow you recover your account. Next, you will be prompted to set up a passphrase for your LightNode and to name your LightNode key and verify your mnemonic phrase by pasting it in the terminal. It's time to activate your node. Start by copying your Paloma address. Visit palomachain.com/purchase/activate to link your EVM wallet and add your Paloma address. Use your wallet to confirm the transaction. Once this is done, go back to your LightNode terminal and enter the command shown in the next step. This command will finish the activation process. Here is possible that you failed to activate your node. If this happens, please wait a few minutes and try again. Once your node is activated, you're ready to use it. Run the command Automate to run your node. Remember, you might need to execute this command each time you restart your computer. Run your Paloma LightNode today. And join our flock on Discord for more Paloma updates.